How to completely remove the Buy It Now button on your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step, and it's going to actually be very easy, so trust me on this, how to remove the Buy It Now button on your Shopify product page. So, what am I talking about? If we just go to our online store real quick, and we go to any product here. So I'm just going to click on this one as an example. You should find the add to cart and also the buy it now button. So we want to remove this one at the bottom. We want to remove it. Maybe you want to add another button instead. It's completely up to you why you want to remove it, but I will show you how to do so. So first you will need to just go in and open up your Shopify admin, and then you would want to head on over to online store and go to themes. And then from here you want to basically just go ahead and click on customize theme. Now, this is going to work for the Dawn theme. I have not tried it yet on other themes, so I'm not sure whether you have the option to do so on other themes or not. It's not something that I have tested out. So, but if you're working on Dawn theme, then you're pretty much set. So click on customize, and you want to basically open up your theme editor. And then once this actually loads in, I'm not sure why it's taking a little while here. You want to go to your default product template. To do so, you want to just click on the home page at the top, and then you would want to just go to products, and then you would want to just click on default product. But what I usually do is just go ahead and click on any product that I have from any collection, whatever it may be, and then it's just going to open up this page for us where we can basically adjust whatever we want. And again, you can actually see we have the add to cart and buy it now. So one way to actually remove both of them even is if we just go to the product page, and if we scroll down to the template section, we can just scroll down until we find the buy buttons. If you just go ahead and either delete them or just hide them, it's actually going to remove both of them combined. So if that's what you want, feel free to just go ahead and click on save on the top right, and you're pretty much ready to go. But if you want to only hide the buy it now button, instead of actually hiding it or deleting it, you want to just click on it. So just click on buy buttons, and then it's just going to give you two different options: the show dynamic checkout buttons and also the show whatever it may be here. I'm just going to go ahead and select this one, which is the show dynamic checkout buttons. This is the one that we want to just check off or turn off. And then as you can see, the buy it now button is pretty much gone. So just go ahead and check it off and click on save. And we are pretty much good to go. This is pretty much how to remove the buy it now button from your Shopify product page. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.